Hi guys, welcome back. This is the unboxing of Epson L3250 all-in-one printer for home use with wireless printing capability. So the EcoTank L3250 multifunction printer. So this comes with print, scan, copy, compact integrated tank design, high yield ink bottle spill free, and eco error refilling, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct seamless setup via Epson smart panel, borderless printing up to 4 hour. So this is the just out through which I'll be taking you through the unboxing. So this is how you'll be having the specification on the printer, and so the ink refilling bottles are included in that. So let's start opening it. So I previously just wanted to check, so I just opened it myself and wanted to make sure the packing is good. So the one thing is, I just want to inform you guys, please do not go with the online buying, because the price which I bought it with the Epson person and the price which was on the online, it was almost 2k difference. The price which I got was very reasonable. So this is the power cable you'll be getting, so I'll be keeping it aside. And so this you'll be getting 4 colors. So one is black, blue, and here comes with the color and yellow. So this also I'll be keeping it aside. So here is the printer. So the printer is out of the box, so you can just have a look. So we get multiple blue tapes for safety purpose, and we'll also be getting a USB cable along with this. And so we have a user manual with the software installation CD. So this was in the box, and I'll be keeping this aside. So once again I'll be showing you. So we'll be getting these things, so you don't have to worry about anything getting from outside to run this printer. So this is how it looks. Thank you.